How to transfer funds from Exbotix to Binance and sell crypto on Binance P2P. Get Binance deposit address. Step 1. Open your verified Binance account. Step 2. Click on Add Funds. Step 3. Select On-Chain Deposit. Step 4. Select your coin, USDT. Step 5. Choose the correct network. Step 6. Copy the deposit address or save, share the QR code. Transfer from Exbotix to Binance. Step 7. Open your verified Exbotix account. Step 8. Go to Wallet Withdrawal. Step 9. Select On-Chain Withdrawal. Step 10. Select Coin, USDT. Step 11. Paste the Binance deposit address. Step 12. Enter the amount. Step 13. Select the network, BEP20. Step 14. Verify the transaction through OTP on your registered email. Step 15. Confirm the withdrawal. Funds will be sent to your Binance account. Sell crypto on Binance P2P. Step 16. Go back to Binance. Step 17. Click on Trade right pointing arrow P2P. Step 18. Select Sell. Step 19. Add filters according to your choice, country, payment method, etc. Step 19. Click on Confirm. Step 20. Choose a verified buyer and place your order. Step 21. You can chat with the buyer and check the order details. Step 22. When the buyer marks the order as paid, check your bank or payment account. Step 23. If payment is received, click I have verified that the payment has been received. Step 24. Click Confirm Release to release the crypto. Final note: never release your crypto before confirming that the payment has been received in your account.